Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rakak Wadash. Double honors to my apostles and elders, Great Millstone, and peace and salutations to the hopeful elect. All praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rakak Wadash. All right. Just a quick in transit, headed to the place of my plantation. Yeah, just a quick little video concerning a dream that I'd had pretty much a few days ago, and it was basically, I don't know if it was a dream, because I don't remember anything else besides what I seen in the sky. And it may have been just a vision or something. But what I seen was I'd seen chariots. Like they looked like little white lights. But they were like pouring in. They were like it looked like it was one big one at first or something like that. You know, the sky was, I don't know, it was like grayish, reddish. I don't know if a storm had just passed or something. I just remember these lights, they were all bunched up together and they were all coming down like into the earth. Okay, and I was looking up. I was like, hey, you know, I don't know who I was talking to. I don't know. But I was looking up like, yo, you seen that? You see that? And they were bunched together. They were bunched together until they got down to like, I don't know what it's called, but like one of the barriers that are over the earth. I know it, I'm not talking about the firmament. They were already in the firmament. They were already in the, I think, I can't explain it, but they were coming down. All together coming down, and it was a lot of them. It was hundreds of them, probably, man, probably thousands of them. But they were bunched together, and then whenever they got to a certain point, they spread out. They were spreading out. Like, have you ever, like, a spider that has eggs, right? Have you ever actually, you know, you trying to kill a spider from getting out of your home, and you smash it, and then the thousands of eggs started going everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Like that's kind of how the chariots were. They were coming down together, and then whenever they hit a certain place, they all start spreading out across the sky like the stars. There was so many of them. They're just spreading out, and then the sky started getting darker, like it reddish. And as that's still happening, there were big chariots, like bigger chariots. They weren't circular though. They weren't circular. They were like advanced level chariots, man. Like some shit that you would see off a Star Trek or Star Wars or something. And they were flying across, but up under the white ones. But the white ones were small, and they were everywhere. They were pouring in like somebody was pouring some water on the earth, and they were pouring in, and they were starting to spread across the sky. They were spreading out everywhere, and then there were bigger chariots. They were just floating across the sky, real slow like. Because I remember seeing like it being like reddish sky, and I remember seeing those bigger chariots floating across. But in the background of those bigger chariots was those other chariots. So I remember seeing that, and it was a crazy sight, man. Anyway, with that, I just wanted to share that dream with you, or a vision, or whatever it was. I don't remember anything after that. That's all I remember that happened. But anyway, man, I like to say shalom.